Welcome back, Cooking from Scratch. Today we're pickling some onions. I've got a bunch of little onions here that I picked up in Lashinga the other day, and they should be just perfect for this. So this is tasty stuff. First of all, this is about a litre jar, just short of a litre, but close enough to a litre. Got about 3/4 a cup of water that'll go in there. A tablespoon of sugar. This is how most sugar in Mozambique looks. It's like slightly brown, but it's not actually brown sugar. And if you want to buy like white refined sugar, you've got to, specifically buy it. It's not the standard. Anyway, that goes in there. And now I've just got a collection of stuff that's going to taste good in it. I've got a couple of lime leaves here, like dried lime leaves. They'll go in. Not sure where I got them, but I bought them because they were available. A couple of bay leaves. We'll go for a good 3 bay leaves in there. Fresh is better if you've got them. And then a teaspoon of peppercorns. It's about a teaspoon. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. That's about a teaspoon. Chuck them in there. A teaspoon of fennel seeds, giving that aniseedy flavour. That can go in there. And about a teaspoon of salt. That looks about right. That can go in there as well. And then we just chuck the onions in. Oh, one's run away. That one looks, so that'll be okay. Chuck these in. And then we'll just top it up with vinegar. This is a bit of a flash vinegar. That'll put that in there just to make me feel good. That can go in there. And then just top it up with bog standard white vinegar. Oh, if I could get this thing off. Okay. And we'll top him up. So that's kind of just at the level of the onions. These jars are getting a bit old. They're a bit dodgy on the top, but okay, on you go. There we go. Give it a shake up just to get all that sugar dissolved. And then that can sit up here for a couple of days. And then after maybe 2 or 3 days, whack it in the fridge and she's good to go. Have a good one. Catch ya.